Hi everyone, it's Janice and I'm here to show you my latest Alice in Wonderland junk journal. It is quite a chunky journal and as you can see a lot of the pages have been sewn with some lace. The kit is mainly from ScreechOwlStudio on Etsy and I will leave the link below. The main image here is the famous Alice in Wonderland tea party, and that has been sewn to muslin and then onto sari silk. I've added a little organza flower with some pearls to the centre. The back of the book has the vintage doilies sewn onto the sari silk, and this time I have made a tassel and it has the Alice in Wonderland charms with a key and Alice, and also it has some pearls and some vintage lace. The closure is seam binding, so we'll open the book and have a look inside. The first page is a zipper pocket, and this I learnt from Artie Mays on her YouTube channel, so thank you for that. It has a little snippet at the bottom and I've just added some tiny little tags there. Inside this pocket is the wording "and the story begins," and the other one says "this book belongs to." They are beautiful images in this book. A little snippet and flip out there with some note cards. I have added some little arrows throughout the book, these arrows. Stenciling on this little snippet, little flip out. And that snippet has got some of the sari silk as well. A book page pocket. All my pockets have been made from pages out of original Alice in Wonderland books that I collect. So there's a couple of note cards in that pocket, and there is room at the back of that pocket to put your own little notes. Another flip out with some tags. The doilies in the book I have stamped with Alice in Wonderland stamp, various images. The music pages have been printed with an image on them of Alice, and those are pages out of books I collect. Coffee dyed paper, some are darker than others. Another little flip out. A little snippet and some note cards. This is a large flip out, so it has plenty of writing there. I'm not opening it right up because I probably won't get it all back. Doily. This time I've added a calico page to each signature, and that has just been sewn with some lace, and I've added these tags. That's the middle of the first signature, and it has a little heart there I've attached. These are some tags with eyelash trim or some little vintage dyed lace. This one also has some tags in it, and that same coffee coloured lace at the back. More journaling pages. Another book page pocket. And this one has some little note cards. There is a place at the back and it has a tag. Just put that back later. Another book page pocket with some tags in it. Some stenciling. Little flip out, and this one has a little snippet to the front. Belly band. And some more tags. Another belly band with other tags and a circle. They're all from the kit. So that was the first signature. We start the second one now. This time it's got a bag made out of music paper, and inside I've added a couple of little tags. Another little booklet there for you. Another book pocket. Most times I have added the same image that is in the book for the tags as well. Another flip out with one of the images from the kit. Lots of journaling pages. Belly band with some tags in it. This is another page that has been made with calico, and I've sewn some lace to it as well. This is a little booklet. Some of these laces I've collected over the years. This is the middle of the signature, and that also has one of the little hearts attached. And just some note cards and tags in that pocket. This is a paper bag, and I've used one of the book pages on that. Added a snippet with the sari silk, a doily, and on the back I've added some music paper which has been copy dyed. So inside the bag is some little note cards. The other side has one of the little pockets, and it has the same little note card inside that one. Again, these are all in the kit. Note card and a tag. little music page pocket, and that has a note card and a tag similar to the image of the page. Another little flip out pocket with some tags and note cards. There's a lot throughout this book. This is another image, and I made a flip out for that one. This is the other side of that bag that was made with music paper, and this one has some tags as well. Some eyelash trim or some dyed lace. Little flip out pocket. And that one has a tag. And this is another little pocket, and it has the same image as the pocket. This is the back of the book, and it has another vintage page pocket and some note card and a tag. There's also room at the back of that pocket. You could put some little notes down yourself. So that's the end of that book. I hope you've enjoyed looking through this Alice in Wonderland book with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.